everybody, this is April Monique. Welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, this is going to be a bathroom clean with me. I know I don't look my best. I know I don't have any makeup on or anything like that. Today is Sunday, January 23rd. I got up really early this morning, went grocery shopping. I'm back home now. I'm cleaning. Your girl is around here doing laundry and all of that. So I don't have time for makeup or trying to, look all cute and all that stuff today. I'm just showing you guys the real. If you're brand new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing. And if you're a brand new subscriber, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. Told you guys in the last video that I would keep y'all posted, or that was like 2 videos ago. I said I would keep y'all posted about my COVID situation. So I did take the second COVID test and the result came back as negative, and I went back to work last week. So I'm back at work, negative for COVID. So yeah, so I just wanted to give you all an update on that. All right, let's go ahead and get into the video. Also, this is going to be a bathroom decorate. I don't have a whole lot of decoration. I only have curtains and 2 canvases that I want to hang up in here. However, those 2 things I believe is going to cause a drastic look to the bathroom and just make the bathroom look a little bit more appealing and decorative. I'm still in the process of decorating the bathroom, so I don't have all the decorations in here yet that I really want, but I do have a little bit today that I'm going to show you all. Now, this is going to be a speed clean video, so I will speed the video up. Give you all cleaning tips, and a lot of you should already know it by now, but when cleaning your bathroom, it's best to have reusable gloves, reusable rubber gloves for your bathroom. So I do use these same gloves when I clean my toilet, and I want to talk about that. So the first thing that I will be cleaning is my toilet, but what I want to let you all know is with using your reusable gloves and you're cleaning certain places in your bathroom, like your toilet for an example, and you finish with your toilet and you get ready to clean your sinks or your tub or whatever you're cleaning, please be sure to sanitize your gloves immediately after you finish with your toilet. And you can sanitize your gloves with anything that's antibacterial. You can sanitize your gloves with Clorox wipes, Lysol wipes. You could use Fabuloso, like I have Fabuloso in this bottle here. You could use bleach to sanitize your gloves. Pour some bleach on like paper towel and wipe your gloves. But you definitely got to sanitize your gloves after cleaning your toilet to avoid cross-contamination. In this clip, I made a cleaning solution to sanitize, clean, and whiten the caulking around my toilet and tub, as well as the white trim along the walls. You should make note to clean these areas whenever you are doing a deep clean or extreme clean of your bathroom. By the way, I am using an old toothbrush. I will also leave the cleaning solution ingredients that I use for the caulking down below in the description box. I will also be posting a later video of cleaning the grout between my bathroom tiles. I am changing out my shower curtain liner. I recommend you change your liner out every 3 months. I also recommend you do not buy an expensive liner. Thank you so much for watching my video all the way to the end. Please comment, like, subscribe, please share my video, and I will see you all in the next vlog.